Okay, again, I'm gonna shave off until I hit just outside of this line that I marked. All right, I just got the roof trim in. Again, not a perfect process, but it'll do. I need to fix up some of the gaps and show Shugi anything you see wore down. Gonna burn that. I attached them and then I took the sander to kind of round out the corners. I just took it piece by piece, finding angles. This backside looks pretty good. So the last side I did. I'll cut that excess off to get it flush, more flush with the roof. And that'll be that. So yeah, now the roof looks like one cohesive unit because I bondoed the seam down the middle and kind of filled any holes. And some of the holes I just filled with this brown caulking. I didn't want to mess with Bondo a second time, so I went with that. But this second coat already is looking, I mean, this stuff dries pretty quick. Pretty opaque as compared to the first. So I think with 2 coats, oh, look at this little guy. It flew away. I think with 2 oh, here's the trim I put on yesterday. So this trim is only meant to hold down the edges of the fiberglass. I attached Sikaflex underneath as my adhesive, and then I brad nailed through. That way the Sikaflex would fill the brad nail holes in the fiberglass. And then I'm double priming and painting the trim with the roof. And then in the back, there's these notches so that my rain can still run out. And I might have to cut a couple more, but we'll see. That's it. But yeah, it looks like a cohesive unit. Everything's going smooth today. Hopefully I can get, you know, most of this done today, and then tomorrow's just pulling it out and not having to do any more work. So that's that for now. Give you that wide shot you all love. White roof, about to turn green. I'll show you the paint when I get to that point.